The long wait is over. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, there we have it right in front of us with our naked eyes. Our very beautiful, stunning debutante Aylay. Father of our debutante Aylay. Kay Sir Eliseo Jr. pwede rin pumulong sa pagpili ng best dancers. Okay! Galing! For our flash mob, sasabay po tayo sa ating mga dancers. And 3, 2, 1, play! Let's go! Ano nga dito? Yawan na! 1! DJ sa gitna ka. Pero tayo mga representatives mula sa kada grupo. Dalawa, let's go. DJ in 3, 2, 1, play. Isang malakas na pala mga naman in 3, 2, 1, music please. And congratulations to our winners. Sige po, kuha na po kayo ng prizes dito. Okay? So, pipili lang kayo, ma'am and sir. Pili na po kayo ng sa inyo dyan. Let's go. Bahala kayo dyan sa taas o sa baba. Mom Liza and Sir Isaiah Jr. who will share a special message and welcome address to all of us, especially to our debutant Ellen. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, the welcome address and special message coming from the proud parents of our debutant Ellen. We have Mom Liza and Sir Isaiah Jr.
Good evening, dear family, friends, and special guests. On this momentous occasion, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for each and every one of you being here to celebrate our daughter, Lady Eliza's 18th birthday. As her mother, my heart is overflowing with pride and love as I witness her transition into adulthood. From the tiny baby with big eyes and cheerful smile to the beautiful young woman she is today. We have witnessed her first steps, her first words, and now her first formal step into adulthood. It has been a wonderful journey. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people who has been a part of my daughter's life, whether you've been a mentor, a friend, or a family member. Your guidance and support have played a vital role in shaping her into the amazing individual she is today. To my firstborn, Ate Eli, you know that I'm not very vocal in making praises and appreciations about you all the time. Like how I'm very happy and proud of what you have become at this point in your life. I thank God for bringing you in our life. Though you have weaknesses and imperfections, I'll forever love and accept you for who you are. I just hope you realize how your dad and I work so hard to provide and support you in every way possible. Sometimes we argue and misunderstand each other. Naiingayan ka sa aming daddy mo dahil sa paulit-ulit na pagsaway at pag-remind sa'yo. Please know that we just want you to be more responsible in order for you to have a bright future ahead. Of course, there will be a lot of challenges along the way. But don't worry, we got your back and we'll always be here to support you. Ate Eli, never stop dreaming big and never stop chasing your aspirations. Always remember to stay true and believe in yourself. I love you more than words can say. Now, let us raise our glasses. Let us raise our glasses and toast to Lady Eliza, her bright future, and the many wonderful years ahead. May this debut be the beginning of a lifetime filled with love, success, and happiness. Thank you all for joining us and celebrating this special occasion. And once again, good evening.
Inubusta ni Atong sa kami na ini po, nag-ending po, namin, maraming official, magdala po, dito naman sa anak ko, may short story lang po sa'yo. Ang mga mula ng baby pa, ay bata pa, pag pumupunta po kami siguro sa sentro, kung saan man po, hindi yan pampayan na hindi malalayan kung anong gusto. Talagang, uuwi ko lang mag-isip sa mood. Ngayon naman, napalitan na po, dahil kailan na po sa dalaga, na ay palagi na lang kaloob, maiiyanan, hindi lang ipan sa mga kaibigan niya. Ate Eli, awis ko sa iyo, tanong mo ang pangarap ko sa buhay. Nandito na kami ni Mami mo ang magsusupport sana malayo sa anumang sakit, sana ma-achieve mo yung pangarap sa buhay. I love you. More birthday to you.
Kwento ko daw yung ano, may pahabol siya. Sige, kwento ko na sinabi mo na, i-mention ko na. Ano po, kasi yung message ko talagang pre-prepare ko like as formal. Talagang gusto ko na. Pero pwede naman, mag-share naman ako ng story kasi yung dad niya nag-share naman ng story. So, ako naman ang share namin, ang share ko, about daw sa honey. O yung honey, yung honey candy. Yun parang kasi hanggang ngayon hindi namin makalimutan yun. Pero naalala pa rin namin hanggang ngayon. Siguro mga nung ilang taon ba siya noon? 4, 5 years old pa lang siya noon. Kasi that time, kung hirap tayo sa buhay, nag-start pa lang yung family. And then, di niya din makalimutan kasi kinento namin na dahil sa isang honey, kumbaga natulong talaga yung puso namin kasi di ba ang honey na candy, 1 peso lang naman yun. So even yung 1 peso lang siyang candy, as in talaga, hindi niya nabili that time. So nung nalaman namin, pag-uwi ko galing trabaho noon, di ko alam kung sinong nagkwento or siya mismo kasi parang may nakakita sa kanya na doon daw sa harap ng tindahan, parang ilang oras or medyo mahaba yung time ng nakabantay lang sa tindahan para daw, so wala siyang pera, kahit daw piso. Hindi siya makahingi kay dad na kasi walang pera. Kaya, nagtambay lang siya dun sa tindahan. Para lang makita yung honey, parang gusto niya talaga, gusto umuwi na siya. Tapos, nung nalaman namin, naiyak kami. Kaya sabi ko, ngayong 18 ka na para kumbaga yun, malungkot yun ang story. Pero, ngayon, parang naging inspiration natin or motivation para magsipag tayo. Kumbaga,
Thank you so much. Next, participants, please.
Hello po. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Hello!
Hey, hi. Happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday!
Michael. Happy birthday.
Ano yan, ibigay sa Joy?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Greetings.
Happy birthday!
Greetings po.
Thank you, Brian.
Greetings. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Next, table participants, please.
Salamat. Happy birthday, Elena.
our makeup artist, Sita, for the photo op. And together with our invited band, okay lang po ba ma'am and sir na magpapapicture ang ating debutant kasama kayo? Thank you. We are down to our last table participants. Sunod na po ang mga dancers. Please, the proud parents and the siblings of our debutant, Sir Eliseo. Sir Eliseo, Jr. and Ma'am Lalo. First, Lady Erin Beach. You're requested for the photo op, please. Yung pinakabagong laro, Bring Me.
Yan, sige, kaway.
Panangkaya, isang tama at yung kada mauuna sa Bring Me ay mag-uwi na regalo mula sa ating debutant at kanyang mga magulang.
Kaya lahat ng pagmamahal ay naipokus sa iyo ng panahon na. Ikaw ang buhay na mano ng pagmamahal namin bilang isang lolo at lola. Kaya, ang biniwish ko lang for last time at tandaan mo ito. Maging mabuting tao ka sana sa darating na mga panahon. May takot sa Diyos at may respeto sa magulang. Yan lang ang hinihiling ko
Live.
para sa iyo, Hilay. Diyos mabalos kaninyo amin.
Lalay ba ko?
Thank you so much, Sir Isagani. Next, the grandparents coming from the father side naman tayo. And it will be represented by... Okay.
Senyor.
Sir Eliseo Napagal Sr. How about a big round of applause, please?
Galang-gala na maestro sa Emunya, linti ka na pamilya na pagal ni Diyos, mga bisita na nagkagaling sa iba-ibang lugar, na isili mo na kati. Lalong-lalo na ang mga kaparya ko, nag-iidad naman. Ikarwa, mga soltero, iraraga, na isili mo na. Namumuya ko ka na okasyon, kanak-anak ng apo. Na primero sa istorya, na ako iniidad naman sa lugar niya sa 75 anyos. Kaya, primero sa istorya na namaya ko sa maray anak-anak kong apo, na amo si Ilay. Kaya Ilay, magpasalamat ka kay Papa, sa kay Mama, sa kaki, kaya mga luluhon mo. Lalong-lalo na kami, nag-iidad naman, na ako, maluya naman yan ang anak kong mata. Kaya, naiintindihan ko pa man, anak-anak ko mga apo. Pagpalawin pa man ako, hindi ko daw sa laga. Nakamakamtay ko ang anak kong kaliwanggan. Kita hindi taon na bubuhay, hindi pa ko sa laga, sabi ko, luluhin ko. Kamtan mo nga, abuhay mo, abang ka na bubuhay, hindi pa ko sa laga. Dahil udan niya ibang migdanay, kita. Anda, nigpa, sakit ka na to, akan na itong Panginoon. Kaya, magpasalamat kita, akan na itong Panginoon. Kaya ako, namuna, naarog ka di anak ang ta, akan akong apo. Na, akang maturan nga ni Jesus, sasabihin ko, na sinabi naman ng paligani na, akan na itong mga araw pining okasyon, na itong mga apo, na mag-ingat sana. Mag-ingat sana kita, akamaturan, walang mga nguwan, malala ka na, delikado ka panahon tanguan. Kaya, namumuya ko sa maray, nagpapasalamat sana ako kaninyong aming mga nguwan. Kaya, salamat sana po tabi.
Thank you so much, Sir Eliseo Napagal Sr. Wow! Ang gandang pakinggan ng mga messages na nagmumula sa mga grandparents. And I would finally, personally say sa'yo, Alay, that you are so lucky. You must be thankful because you are blessed with your grandparents. Ang babait, hindi lang sila makikisig at magaganda. Okay? Siyempre, mo, and you also have your brother and sister na malay natin, di ba, may susunod pa. Napatingin sa akin si Manggulit, what? No. Siguro okay na yun, pero sayang lahi, magaganda at guwapo. Okay, so thank you so much. That concludes the rendering of the special messages coming from the proud grandparents of our debutant Elay through Sir Sikani and Sir Eliseo Napagal Sr. Thank you so much, Sir Brian Labagan. Wow, so mamaya, napakinggan ka ulit namin. Okay, babawin ka mamaya. Pero at least, magandang boses. Ganun talaga pag kinakabahay. Ang tanong, is it your first time singing a song in front of an audience? No. So, talagang siguro na pressure this time. Let's now move on to our evening ceremonies. Before we finally, 2 minutes. Okay? Your messages, so mag-prepare lang po kayo. It's okay kahit may mga kodigo kayo dyan. For sure, inihanda nyo naman yan para sa ating debutant na si Eli.
Unong pa na 18 candles? Ha? Kuya Ruel, maghiram ka na. Eh, dito! Oh, posporo. Saan yan? Diyan na. Dito. Diyan, kuya. Sige na, tindihan mo na. Sige na. Sige na, Kuya Ruel.
Guiding her towards happiness and success. Friends, ladies, and gents, our 18 candle participants. Let's start off with Lady Erin Mitch Napagan.
Kiss mo.
What a sweet moment. The proud younger sister of our debutant Eli. Thank you so much once again, Lady Erin Mitch. Next, we have Ariel Pascal Napagan.
happy birthday at ilang. Wala akong ang tanda mo na. Hindi ko na. Naalala ko pa yung group natin tatakbo ako. Tapos, di ba ba yun? Ngayon, ang bonding na mga make-up, mga mall. Sana, ibig ko sa'yo, sana ma-achieve ko lahat ng dreams ko. And sana, maging mas mabait ka sa kapatid ko at lalo mo yung nakaaway. In life.
Thank you so much, Ariel Crystal Mapagal. Next, it is welcome sa Yumi K. Mapagal. Next is a Yumi K. May I request please? AC Samantha Arevalo.
Barkada mana, di mo ini ba? Dapat, andas pa, sabihin mo lang, bukong mutong.
Hindi ko lang sasabihin ko, pero... Well, si Ate Ilay kasi guys, best friends na kami since childhood. Tapos, naalala ko dati, pinag-aagalan namin yung Barbie na palabas. Sinabunutan niya ako. Sinabunutan niya ako kasi gusto niya siya si Barbie. Pero ngayon, na tumanda na siya, masyado na siyang mapagbigay. Tapos, sa sobrang closeness namin is lahat sinishare namin sa isa't isa. And including yung ganito, nagtatanong siya sa akin kung anong magandang motive sa debut niya. And ngayon, birthday mo is wish ko sa'yo ay magpapagmahal ng namin mo. And hindi ko ako palagi sinusupport sa'yo. Kahit cringe pakinggan, alam kong hindi ka sanay, siguro iniisip mo na yun. Pero, andito ako palagi. And lagi ako nasa likod mo kapag kailangan.
Thank you so much, Miss AC Samantha Arevalo. Next, Mary Cross, please. Princess Blossom.
Hello everyone, happy 80th birthday. So as you enter adulthood, I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Don't be scared to explore new things, especially 18 ka na. Because that experience will help you to decide on your own. And it will help you to grow. Happy birthday again.
Thank you so much, Princess Blossom. Next, may request please, Chloe Napagan.
Make this 18th year of your life become a stepping stone towards greater achievements and more wisdom. Go the 18 miles on your way and childhood.
Mary Cross, please. Charlotte Napagal.
So, happy birthday, Eli. Wish you all the best. Just enjoy your day, enjoy your life, and don't pressure yourself, okay? And always remember to choose what makes you happy. Happy birthday, and good luck to college life.
Thank you so much, Miss Charlotte Napagal. Next, Mary Cross, please. Francia Napagal.
Pa-shoutout mo na
Sabihin mo sa mga ma-shoutout niya kay Christian.
Ah,
At teka lang, ay bakit? Ano ba ang nakalagay dyan? Ano sabi? Shoutout mo si
ikaw na
Christian.
pindutaro. Kapan ko.
Ha?
Tari ah.
Jadi magsabi ang salita na ka na lang.
Boss Christian, shout out.
Whatever your heart desires, and no matter how high you reach,
Salamat, Palan.
I hope that you always remember to be humble and never think that you are better than anyone else.
Thank you so much, Miss Francia Napagal. Next, Mary Cross, please. Princess Aguilar.
So, hi, Ate Lai. Happy 18th birthday and you're an adult na. Hindi ako maniwala. Humility and kindness really inspire us. Thank you for being grace for role model and our forever. Thank you for Ate. And you know, always take care of yourself. Do your family. Stay humble, stay kind. If you want to chika or makikilaga, kinig out sa papanta sa minister. Wishing you all the best in life with lots of love, happiness, and blessing. Love you always and happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Princess. Next, we have Margot Nakari.
Kay Ate Ilan. So, mas maganda siya, pero pinatawag yung mati. So, wish you a blessed happy birthday. I just want to say na you're so pretty today. Always. So, may your college life maging successful. No worse, hindi maging stressful. At least, makaya yung lahat ng mga gagawin sa college. So, every struggles naman, every circumstances, may solusyon naman lahat. Which is, yun naman talaga yung pinaka, talagang pinag-ano natin sa life. So, may God bless you richly and abundantly. Sabi nga sa Exodus 14:14, the Lord will find for you to be still. So, your past doesn't make you
Your biggest voices as we sing the happy birthday song para sa ating debutant kay Alay. Okay? Eli for blowing our case candle. And as traditionally goes, we are going to make wishes. And make all of these wishes coming from your friends, from your family and loved ones be come true by the guidance and by the blessings of our Almighty God Creator. Now, Eli, whenever you're ready, whenever you have your wishes done, you may blow your case candle.
Wish mo na.
18. Ano sa mga?
Okay. Ang haba ng wish. Madaming wish. Blow your candle, Tilay. All your wishes will come true.
Okay, thank you so much. Mukhang ang daming mga wishes and prayers. Next to Ruben Napagal, we have Mark Jacob Napagal. Next to Mark Jacob, we have Dustin Cannon Gelabin. Next to Sir Brian Napagal, we have Mr. Yoichi Taketa.
Ano si Papa?
Our representative of Tatay Eliseo Napagal Sr. is Lucas Napagal. Thank you so much, Lucas. Next, King Mobile Bar, ang Dynatrax.
And straight line, straight
Anong
line.
gagawin ninyo? Sasayaw ba kayo? Or kakanta?
Ready, ready.
Apo. So, connected naman daw po yung piyesa. Ayusin nyo sa inyo nakasalalay ang katapusan ng ating okasyon ngayong gabing ito. Okay? Sige. Para mas maging remarkable ito, kayo talaga ang inilas namin. Para hindi namin makalimutan yung nangyari ngayong araw na to. April 19, Black Saturday. Konti na lang. Easter Sunday na. Okay? Ready na ba? Ako wait lang. Sige. Pwede po bang makareceive ng isang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan?
Hindi, sasayaw muna kayo.
Actually guys, kagabi lang kami
Okay lang yun.
Huwag kayo mag-iisip, huwag niyo kami dyan. Pwede naman.
Okay, kagabi yung practice ninyo. Ngayon, pangalawang gabi ng practice. Ayun, okay lang yan.
And ready.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, a performance from our
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thinking it. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click, like, and subscribe.